Okay, so the last two problems from Chapter 1, Test Version 2. All right, so in this one, in number 6, we're given this triangle shape here, and the angles are either already labeled for you or they've got like X terms. The only one that doesn't have anything is this one right here, right now, but we'll come back to that. Okay, so first part, we need to solve for X. Okay, well, the first thing I notice is that if you look at just this triangle here on the left, the blue triangle, everything in it either has an X or a number, no second letter, right? No Y's. So that means it's solvable, right? One letter, one equation we can make up. And you know triangles have 180 degrees if you add up all three angles in it. So X, 34, and X plus 16. So let's simplify that a little bit. So this is going to be 180 equals, and on this side I have two X's and 50 units. So now if I subtract the 50, I get 130 equals 2X, and then I divide by 2, and I get 65 as my X. Right there. Okay, so I know 65 is the X. All right, whoops. Well, now we need Y. So 65 equals X, and I need Y. Well, let me look at the other triangle on the opposite side here. So BCD, this triangle. Looking at that one, I know that this angle, the top angle, and the one down here have Y's in them. And if I knew this angle, then I could add up those three to get 180, kind of like the same way I did the X's. But I don't know what this one is. So let's figure that out. If I look at the angle right next to it that says X plus 16, well, I know what X is now. It's 65. So this is really 65 plus 16, which comes out to 81 degrees. So I know this angle right here, 81. Well, let me draw this just right here by itself. Here's 81, and here's the one I don't know. Well, if you look at it, you should realize that's a straight angle. That equals 180 degrees. So if I do 180 minus 81, I get 99. So now I know this angle right here is 99 degrees. And in our original picture, that's this one. Okay. So now I've got enough info for the red triangle to solve for Y. So 99 plus 2Y plus 5 plus 6Y minus 4 is going to give me 180. Okay. If I simplify that a little bit, I got 99 plus 5 minus 4 gives me 100. And I've got 2y plus 6y gives me 8y. And if I subtract out the 100, I get 80. So y equals 10. 10. Okay. Now I've got to figure out what angle C is right here. Okay, well I know it's 6y minus 4. And I know y is 10. So 6 times 10 minus 4 equals the measurement of angle C. That's 60 minus 4, 56 degrees. All right. Number 7 is related to number 6 in that it uses the same diagram. So let me clear this out here. Okay, so let's look at it. Using the diagram for 6, Alice states that AB plus BC equals AC because of the segment addition postulate. If you remember the segment addition postulate, it says AB plus BC equals AC, so it looks good. Is she right? Why or why not? Well, here's AB. Here's BC. And here's AC down along the bottom here. Right? Well, a lot of people had kind of correct answers on this one, but didn't quite explain it properly. So let's think about this. The segment addition postulate says this. It says if A, B, and C are collinear, then AB plus BC equals AC. Okay, so this is the segment addition postulate. Alice didn't really say it wrong, but she forgot about this part. If they're collinear, right? So if they're collinear, then you can say this. Well, look at the picture. There. Here's A, here's B, here's C. Those three aren't in a straight line. They're on different lines. So what you would say is Alice is wrong because A, B, and C are not collinear. So the segment addition postulate can't be used. That's just my abbreviation for it, by the way. All right, hope that helps. If it doesn't, maybe watch it one more time, see how it goes.